Ayan guys, we are going now to Cologne, Germany. So we're not going to wait for our real time. So pwede naman daw kami palang sumakay ngayon na. So sakay na lang kami. Tapos doon na lang kami mamasyal and we will wait for our train going to... Where are we going? Yeah! Siyempre, hindi ko na naman alam kung saan kami kukuha ng train going to Cologne. So bababa ako at magtatanong. That is the only thing that you can do. If you get lost, then you have to go out and ask people. Where's the people? Where can I ask? Yan ang problema. Kung saan ako pwede magtanong. Haha. No information center, but I'm sure I can ask someone. Okay, there's some police there. I'll ask the police. Siyempre, kasi policeman siya, hindi man siya taga train station. So hindi niya alam kung ano yung sasagot niya sa akin. So never mind. Pero tinuro naman niya ako kung saan yung office. So hahanapin ko yung office. Maghanap tayo ng office. Where is the office? Where is the office? Ang sabi nila, dahil daw kami ay merong interrail ticket, so we can just jump in and jump off to any train kung saan namin gustong pumunta. So yan ang advantage kung meron kang interrail ticket. Basta siguraduhin mo lang na lagi mong dala at ang pipiliin nyo ay actually using your mobile phone. You don't need to print. Kasi pag mag-paper form kayo, mas mahal. So, dapat using your mobile phone pag bumibili kayo ng ticket sa internet. Another thing na gusto ko i-share sa inyo, that there are two different tickets that you can buy if you want to explore Europe using the train. There is a Eurail and there is an Interrail. Kung ikaw ay from European country, that's including United Kingdom, ang bibilhin nyo ay Interrail ticket. If you are from America, from other countries, apart from any countries around Europe, you have to buy the Eurail. So, bear that in mind, guys. Only those people who are from European countries has to buy Interrail. Kaya yan po yung ticket namin, Interrail ticket. Guys, platform number 8, ang sweating number 8. So pupunta kami sa platform number 8 na kasi ang aming train is 2:25 and we have to be there and be ready kasi wala kaming upuan. Sige na, tingnan natin. Let's go for the first class. So this is the train that we're going to. I'm going to show you ang pogi-pogi ng train. Yan ang aming bullet train. See? That's the train. This is the train that we're going on. Let's see what do we have here. Different rooms here that we can actually occupy. I think we can occupy this one. 6. There's a total of 6 people here. Look. Si Mama Angie tsaka si Ferdinand. Toilet. And another first class. Yeah. So we'll go this way. Baby ko. Now, we are in Germany. Yes, sa anong parte ng Germany? This is Cologne, Germany. So, look at this, guys. It's very sunny here. So, guys, we just stored our luggage into this box here, which I'm going to show you here. That's how it looks. Look at that. Yan siya. Ganito siya. Oh, yan. Yan. So, you're just going to leave your luggage there. We pay £6 for 24 hours just for whatever it fits into the box. And then, isa-store na nila. And later on, kukunin na lang namin ulit. Okay? So, it's amazing. I really like this. Let me just ask a question. 1 minute.
Yeah, first.
Okay. Big ones? Yeah. Thank you.
Two, yes, okay. And,
Yung mga bagong Daddy, yung knapsack.
Daddy, oh. Dad.
Tingnan ko kung kasya pa ba. Kung hindi na
Sige, backpack. Lagay mo na.
Backpack pa rin.
yeah,
Ay, Dad, ito pa, oh.
So check another pa. Hindi naman kasya.
Patong
Kuha tayo isa
mo.
pa.
Oh, isa pa. Kuha
Isa
pa
pa.
tayo
Kuha
na
isa.
isa.
Hindi naman kasya.
Oh, patong mo yan, Warl, sa'yo.
Iwan mo yung ano pa.
Hindi naman kasya. Pilitin nyo yung
Ano yan?
Ito kasi,
Mesik dito.
Okay. Another one. Kasi, Baria.
yung mga ticket, eksakto mawala.
Pag nawala yan, ha? Ayan, okay. Sige. Press English.
English?
We're going to store our luggage. It's €6 for 24 hours. It's not bad, isn't it?
Ano yung pagkuha mamaya?
Ito yung receipt.
Ayun.
Wait, that's sa akin. Akin lang yung receipt si B. Wait, hindi pa lumabas, B.
Hindi siya.
Wala siya. Walang tiwala.
Wait, kunin mo lahat.
Sige, pag kumaagaw na yun.
Magaw na nga siya.
Gawin mo lang lahat mo.
So we're just waiting for this door to open so that we can put all the bags. Daddy, you can put the bag in.
Oh, start.
Tali mo. Okay, guys. Isa-isa.
Isa.
Isa-isa lang. Baka pati ikaw sumasok sa loob.
Ito, bitin
Yeah, she can go in. Ayan. Iwan na natin yan. O, sige na.
Can we store him? This guy inside.
Yeah, we can leave one guy here to look after the bag.
Alright, stay away. There you are. And then,
I will try if I might fit down there.
it's closed. And then, there's a ticket coming out. It's amazing. This is really good. There you are. Okay. Do you also have a shower
yeah,
room?
there shows you go the A passage and there. No, a shower. No, shower we don't have here inside. No, shower. It's I thought you meant toilets.
Ayan po, dito po sa train station ng Cologne, they've got a Rail and Fresh WC, and then meron po silang shower dito. So in case na mag-overnight kayo sa train and gusto nyo mag-freshen up and gusto nyo mag-shower, pwede po kayo mag-shower dyan. So you just have to pay €1 per person pag nag-enter po kayo. So that's it. Yan, tingnan nyo siya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pasok kaya tayo doon. Let us go and have a look. Very nice and beautiful. Guys, look at that. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Ay, bright. Look. Yan siya. Daddy. Look at that. Kami ni Mags. Look. Look, 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 look. Oh. Ang ganda. Picture tayo. Guys, mga bibi ko, suot na tayo ng sunglasses kasi sobrang init na dito. Kaya lang mag-ingat lang ako. Kasi, ang daming snatcher. Totoo lang. Even sa train kanina, they've been announcing to be careful from the pickpocketers and snatchers. And then when we arrive here in the train station, there's a lot of people running because they're trying to catch one man. Maybe he stole something from the group of people. So, nakakatakot. Kaya, ito, tago ako ng aking gamit. Tinago ko yung aking... Ay! Hindi pa jogging sa lahat ang aking hat. There. Alisin na natin. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Let's try to remove it. It's just so sunny. Look at the church! Ganda guys! Ayan mga baby ko. Ang ganda ng church, diba? Right. I-reverse natin. I-reverse. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan! This is the front of the church we're going in. Okay? We are going in. I'm just waiting for Mr. Max. Where are they? Where's my husband? Where is Mr. Max? Nawala na siya. Hanapin natin sila. Balikan natin sila. Ang ganda. One minute. Okay. We're now going to... Where is that? We're not there yet. Still early. We are still early. Platform
5, pwede yung side.
5. Wala pa. Maaga pa eh.
Itong side, itong side. Pagin eh, kalagay dito oh.
Kaya lang may ABC siya eh.
Yeah, ABC niya.
Para sang nalulok.
Nahiga na ako.
Ayan na.
Daddy.
Ayan na, okay na.
Okay naman.
Ito yung aming kwarto. So, napaiyak ako sa tawa ka. Siguro may thermostat ng aircon ako dahil. Good morning! It's Germany! So, look at my eye bags na walang tulog. Yan, naka-toothbrush na ako. Nakalinis na ako ng mukha. Nakalagay na ako ng sunblock. Pero yung mata ko, tingnan mo. Wala akong pakialam.